Good evening. Today we are going to see how we can transact using Dual UOM in purchase orders. Okay, that is a requirement. And first of all, I think we already created Dual UOM. I will show again one time how to create Dual UOMs and how to use the Dual UOM in the items. Okay. Photo step and maintenance. Go to general search. So the requirement is how to use dual UOMs in purchase orders. That is the requirement. So what is the prerequisites I'm showing now? We have to create dual UOM and attach that. We have to create two UOMs and we'll attach that the item so that we can transact that item in the PO. Okay, that is the we can do that. So I think you understood the requirement, right? Okay, so we already created one item yesterday. I think we watched that video also. We watched the video. You can get that video from the comment section. I created one item and attached that I created UOMs to this item. Many items. We created one item called dual item. Because we created it on group class, that's why I'm changing to P. Dual UOM item. Group class. This is root item class, and then this is a PUM dual UOM item. Item. Just I'm opening that item and show how we attach the dual UOM. We have to take tracking unit like primary and secondary. Then we attach primary is a T weight one and secondary one is TKG one, so that you can transact in primary item automatically convert into pages. Okay. So after attaching a dual UOMs to the item, we have to go to setup and maintenance and go to general search, and we have to set up one more setup. And then and I'm showing manage new automation. Here we have to go to manage UOM enter class because we have created two UOMs, UOM classes, and we have to use what is PI. I wrongly mentioned here. We have to give those 10 kgs. This is from 2 kgs. We have to give reversely. So because already items are there, transactions are there, we can't change now. So normally have to give reverse like 0.66 equal to convert into 15 kgs, 10 kgs blocks. Okay. Then we'll go to vision. On click, we'll create a PO. Create PO. From procurement. And orders. Download procedure only, but it will store in like secondary units. Okay. And we'll create a pivot quickly. So we already done setups, approvals, everything. So we created. I'm going to create a pivot. We already created an item and attach dual UOMs to the particular item, and we are going to transact with that item. So the item is I think you P dual UOM item. So we'll try to enable lots also in next video so that the dual items, dual UOM items, and see how we can transact lots and serial numbers using dual UOM items. Okay. P dual UOM item. automatically 10 pages. 10 pages is nothing but 15, then one box. 15 is nothing but 1 pages. Okay. So wrongly mentioned there. Okay. So it's so we can't it won't suppose I want to transact using boxes. So we can't the primary can't it will can't transact. You have to transact primary UAM, but we can receive the items in secondary UAM. We can do that. Okay. But we can't transact. Go to save it, it will try to deliver throw error. We can create item using primary UAM, but we can receive the items secondary UAM. And submit. We throw error. See, we can't create purchase order with the secondary UAM. We can create a PO with the primary UAM. We can receive the items in secondary. So we have to change lines, code lines. Then we have to change to primary UAM, like TV. Okay. Then submit. But you can receive the items in secondary UAM. We can do, but we can't transact the primary. We can't create PO with the secondary UAM. Okay. So once we want to do, then we'll go to this. We will receive the item. For that, go to supply chain execution, inventory management. Okay. And we will try to receive the item. So we receive the items. Now, so tasks received. Go to receive expected shipments. In receiving, we can UAM, but in case of creating POs, we can't use secondary UAMs. That is one thing we have to note. Say 13 PO. Now we receive the items. While receiving, you can change the cover show receipt quantity. So we can change it now to 2 kgs. Then suppose create receipt. Then submit. Okay. So while receiving, we can change the UOM to secondary UOM. So we'll try to receive that item to diagonalize. Before that, we'll see how much quantity is available for this item. How to mostly manage the item quantities. Change to we'll see that how much quantity is there. And item quantity. Okay, 160 is there. Now what we'll do? We'll see put away so that it will put away to the rows. That is the inventory allocation. Go to receipts and put away receipts. Then take those so receipt number. Then maybe list the items. Put away. We will put the items in the inventory. This is the staging area. And submit. So it will receive, we can receive the items in secondary OM, but we can't transact the secondary OM in the POs. By creating, we can't use secondary OMs. While receiving, we can use the in, secondary OMs. Okay, so that's so we explained today how to create PO with dual UOM and how to receive the items using dual UOM. And we can't transact POs in while creating PO, we can't use a secondary OM, but we can receive the items using secondary OM. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this Saraki, you can write me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back.